about why I have been absent from the channel for about a couple months now, probably leading on to 3 months. I made a video explaining all of this stuff, talking about this stuff, and things changed since. I haven't got a chance to edit it, but thank God I didn't, because now things are moving faster than I thought. Where do we leave off? The Skyline, I still have the Skyline. I did a couple things to it. You know, I detailed the car, I got some RPF ones for it. You know, just kind of enjoyed the car. I fixed the timing belt. There's a lot of issues with it when I first bought the car. All I know is that I got it fixed, and I've been enjoying the car for the past couple months. Now, the S2000, I still have the S2000s. I know a little bit of you guys are really excited and pumped about this car. I haven't sold it yet. There's some things I gotta fix on the car that has kind of came up over the past couple of months, and I wasn't able to actually fix the car because financially I couldn't afford to put more money into this car, let alone paying for the bills and all that stuff. I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, and I do have a regular job, so that eats up all my time, and my money goes to the bills first and the car second. But in the past 2 months, I've been driving the Scion and I've been driving the Skyline. Skyline has been a dream. I live my life like the Buster, like Paul Walker in the movies, you know, Brian O'Connor, driving the Skyline, and I can see why people like this car. You know, it's a really hyped car. I'm not so much of a hype beast. I just enjoy what I have at the moment. So this wasn't initially my JDM dream car. My JDM dream car would be a Silvia S15 Spec R in pearl white, or you know, the white that it comes. This so much was kind of an impulse buy. And do I regret it? Sometimes I do regret it, but the experience I get from it is something I can't just, you know, take back. Like, it was a really good time when I had it running right, or now that it is running right. It's a really fun car to drive. I don't want people to think that this car is terrible. It's a really great car. You know, the engine's fantastic, and turbo is also really fun. On top of that, the car is right-hand drive, so it's a different experience. I wanted to do more videos, but for a lot of reasons I couldn't do videos. Not that it mattered too much, I just kind of wanted to enjoy it a little bit without putting so much content on YouTube. I do make videos on YouTube, but I don't consider myself a real YouTuber. I don't do it on a daily basis anymore because it doesn't do so well. My videos haven't been doing well. No one's really watching my stuff, and like I said last year when I was selling my Lexus, I'm gonna lose a lot of people watching my channel, and the algorithm's gonna change. No one likes the video, so the algorithm changed. No one watches the video, algorithm changed. So everyone that I built my fan base on was Lexus owners, and a lot of you guys kind of stopped watching after I sold the ISF, which, you know, that's your own decision. I'm not gonna change that. I just decided not to make any more videos for a little while. So I was a little bit selective when I came down to making videos, but then after a while I just rethought my whole situation. It just wasn't gonna pan out, and it wasn't gonna make my channel any better. So I just stopped it there, figured out everything with life, work, finances, and enjoying the cars on weekends, or cars and coffee and things like that. And that's what I really wanted to do for the most part. But things have kind of moved forward a little bit quickly. I've actually put both of these cars for sale at different times. Skyline has been for sale for probably 3 months now, and I finally have a buyer. A lot of people hit me up, but they're lowballing me. I have a lot of money into this car, and I'm just gonna cut my losses and sell it. I have someone flying in Texas tomorrow to come look at the car. Hopefully he buys it. I mean, if you're willing to fly or drive down here, just look at a car, you're definitely more likely gonna buy the car. So hopefully he buys it. And I'm just really excited for this car to finally go. Would have been a dream. I mean, it is a dream to own this car. Just wasn't completely my dream, so it's gotta go. Like I said, I wish I would have made more videos on the R34, but you know, it just wasn't the right timing for me, and I just didn't give a damn about it. Car was running like crap when I first bought it. Now it runs phenomenal, and the car is amazing. It's super shiny and nice. At least I can say I've owned an R34. Not a lot of people can say that. It's a good car, man. Like, I can see why it's such a great car in Japan and why people still love this car to this day. No, it's not a GTR. It's not an RB26 twin turbo all-wheel drive monster with the nice little suede reflective seats and all that jazz. It's a, you know, RB25 conservative one turbo, or single turbo as you want to call it, rear-wheel drive monster. So this car can slide. This car is a little bit lighter. This car is way cheaper. And honestly, if you want to put yourself in a 34, Yes, everybody wants a GTR for the name, and I think that's really cool and all, but honestly, at the end of the day, R34 is R34. You're going to enjoy it. You're still going to sit on the same side. You're still going to have power. You're still turbo. And this car is 1/3 the price of a GTR. You know, just enjoy what you have, man. You know, people want top of the line stuff for bragging rights and all that clout, but honestly, this car has been amazing. I just need to let it go. I'm over it. I could really use the money. My life is changing. I'm getting older, and when you get older, these things are just hunks of metal. That's a liability more than an investment. So taking my losses on this car, and it's gonna get sold tomorrow. If it doesn't get sold, big bummer. You're gonna see another video of me complaining about it or talking about it. So hopefully it goes. Like I said, the car is super clean. It runs well, you know, clean title, ready to go. So we'll see. S2000, like I said, I'm keeping it for the time being. When I sell the R34, I'm going to use a little bit of the money to go ahead and start fixing everything on this car. And I might have to start using it to daily drive, because my brother started school and he's going to be using the Scion to drive to school. And I'm going to have to start driving this car to work. As of right now, January 2020, brand new year, we're selling the Skyline. It's going to go to a better home. I mean, it was in a good home. I don't have the funds, the time, resources to make this car what it potentially could be. So the car is getting sold. I'm using that money to fix some of the stuff on the S2000, because I'm actually going to start driving the car as a daily driver, so everything needs to be reliable, and we can touch base about those problems later. It's nice to live that dream of a little kid and putting all your money into the car, but you can't ignore the fact that life has responsibilities that you need to focus on first before you play with your hobbies. So until I get back on my feet with things, and until I get this whole routine back rolling, making videos, I hope you guys can be a little bit patient about that, and hopefully everything works out on my end. I'm very, very grateful for all those who supported me, those who bought t-shirts from me, those who bought stickers from me from 3-4 years ago, and everything that's been happening to this channel. I really appreciate it. You guys have all my love, and until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. So